Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple drop earring in 2 minutes, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Thank you. Now, to design the earring, you need your earring top, you will need bead caps, 2 bead caps, a head pin. Can you see the head pin? Yeah, and also a bead of your choice. For this I'm using agate size 16. All you need to do is string the bead onto the head pin this way. Then you string the bead cap to it. It's so easy to design, it's very simple. Now that you've done that, you bend the head pin away from you, then you cut off excess part, leaving about 1 inches to form the simple loop. Then you form your loop after cutting off the excess parts. I've explained how to form a round loop. I'll also provide a link to the video on simple loop so you can watch that. Now that you've formed the simple loop, just twist up to open. Then you add the earring top to it. And there you have it. Your simple drop earring is ready. For this earring, it sits below the ear. It sits below the ear. You can see other designs that I've created. If you enjoyed this video, do well to subscribe and also stay tuned to the next video. Thank you.